Thanks for giving me an opportunity to talk to you regarding my book, Windows 7 QuickStart. I work as a freelance writer, blogger, reviewer based in Trivandrum, India. I have been involved in the writing field for several years. I have contributed articles for leading magazines and also published a book named Community Server Quickly for Pack Publishing. I was recognized as a Microsoft MVP from 2002 to 2011 and currently part of Windows Insider MVP program. I publish content, articles, and product reviews, including news on my blog. I help people by answering questions related to Windows 11 on Quora. Now let me talk about my book, Windows 11 Quick Start. The book examines all the core aspects of Windows 11 with the help of screenshots. You will find several content inside the boxes which will help readers to enhance the learning experience. You will find the complete coverage of Windows operating system evolution in the first chapter. I am sure this chapter will help beginners and current generation students who won't be aware of previous Windows versions. The book then delves deep into the installation and working of Windows 11. I also covered several productivity tools that are included with Windows 11. So, AI is the future, and I dedicated a separate chapter to teach readers about the latest Bing chat. You will be able to know the various ways by which you can work with Bing chat from within the Windows 11. There are several things like you can access the Bing chat from the search menu, from Teams, from Skype, and you will learn everything. The book also includes coverage of Windows Insider program, which is essential to receive regular features and bug fixes. You will find coverage of Microsoft Surface devices, Copilot, improved settings dashboard, information about the latest the Microsoft events, and much more. Going forward, I will continue to update the book as Microsoft release new features. Previously, I published Windows 11 QuickStart in 2022 and Windows 10 Simplified in 2021. And I also published Computer Fundamentals in 2016. I am sure that the readers will be able to learn Windows 11 quickly just by reading the step-by-step instructions. I also provided plenty of cloud screenshots. And as I told in the beginning, the informative content inside the boxes will help readers to amplify the learning experience. That is very important because there are several keyboard shortcuts, several things which needs to be learned, and I have included inside the boxes, in colored boxes, so that readers can just know about additional information about the general computing, general keyboard shortcuts, and other general information pertaining to Windows, in addition to Windows 7. Windows 11 Quick Start book will be very helpful for students, beginners, senior citizens who would like to learn Windows 11 from the comforts of their home. Imagine a situation where a 65-year-old person receives a Windows 11 laptop from his son in US, and the person doesn't know how to work with Windows 11. Then how will he communicate with his son over the web, over Teams browser, another thing, interact with Skype? My book will come to his rescue. You just need to download the book and read the content. while attempting to work on the device. You can simultaneously work on this Windows 11 laptop and then open my book inside his smartphone and learn from it automatically. For example, in the chapter 5, I have examined something related to Windows 7 basic usage. You can just learn it. For example, dark mode enabling. You can just go through the dark mode enabling and then you can work simultaneously on his laptop to see the effects, to see the experience. In this way, my book will simplify the leading experience of basic users. I am not targeting very, very advanced users. I am only targeting students, beginners, senior citizens, because they want some resource which is easy to use and easy to consume instead of going through the plenty of YouTube videos. There are plenty of YouTube videos, I agree. There are plenty of online courses at Udemy, Coursera, like that. But my book is a single umbrella. Just download, you go through the content, and you work on the device, laptop or PC, whatever it may be. Because I want to educate the basic people, like students, as I told, students and senior citizens, because they don't have the sufficient resources to learn. And I am working to create awareness about the launch of my book via social media and other resources. I hope this will help my book to reach the people who need the book. My aim is to bridge the digital divide among people, and hence the book will be always free. My book will be always free. I will not charge any payment. And in future, I may upload to Amazon because Kindle users will find it useful. But there also I will keep the rate very low so that basic users will be able to afford the book. There are plenty of books which are, then if you go to the Amazon, you will know that there are several books which is priced $24, $35, like that. I'm not going to charge anything like that if I upload to Amazon. I will keep it minimum so that basic users will be able to afford my book. I am confident that Windows 11 QuickStart will serve as a productive study material for those people who would like to learn all aspects of Windows 11 from within a single umbrella. Okay, so if you want to learn Windows 11, just download my book, Windows 7 QuickStart. Each and everything you will learn, because if you want to learn the evolution of Windows 11, like for some Windows, like right from the first version to the current version, and with the screenshot, each and every Windows version I covered with the screenshot, so that the current generation students will be able to know about that particular Windows version and the screenshot, the dashboard, Windows screenshot easily. They do not have to work. They do not have to go through the web and other things, Wikipedia, other things. Just to scan through my book. Each and everything I have covered. The basic thing is evolution. How the Windows origin of Windows, right from the Windows 1.0, Windows 95, Windows 98, Windows B, Windows Vista, Windows 10, Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 10, and now Windows 11. And I didn't cover anything which is something related to rumors, because I only covered what is there in the open space. Okay. So I didn't cover anything which outside the rumor related things. So I hope this book will be very useful, and people will be able to experience the real working of Windows 11. And I am sure that after reading the content of the book, a particular user will be able to work with Windows 11 with confidence. Okay. Thank you, Len, for this opportunity. And I look forward to interact with you again in the future. Thank you.